Sitting on the cold concrete floor, numbers, a whispered beat, 9 to 8, then 7 down. Counting silence in this town. Dust motes dance in slanted light, chasing shadows day to night. A distant door clicks soft and low. I hold my breath and wait to know if this quiet place will stir, or if the world will just differ. First snow on a stairwell, no one walks, and I stay just to see it fall. Through the transom, a gentle peace, this concrete hush, a sweet release. A neighbor's radio, a faint sound, singing off-key all around. Through the thin and hollow wall, an echo answers to its call. I hum along a private tune beneath this pale and winter moon. A distant door clicks soft and low. I hold my breath and wait to know if this quiet place will stir, or if the world will just differ. First snow on a stairwell, no one walks, and I stay just to see it fall. Through the transom, a gentle peace, this concrete hush, a sweet release. A wool mitten on the railing, there stars together beyond compare. Tiny crystals, soft and white, catching beams of fading light. A forgotten friend, now dressed anew in this quiet, gentle view. I stay just to see it fall. Through the transom, a gentle peace, this concrete hush, a sweet release. First snow